Russian supply spacecraft has failed to dock at the International Space Station. The Mission Control Center near Moscow says the unmanned Progress spacecraft missed the port and is now rotating uncontrollably. Well, let's now get more details from RT's Igor Piskunov, who's in central Moscow. Igor, explain to us what happened here, and is there any danger because of this failure?
Well, Bill, this was supposed to be quite a usual procedure, which happens quite often on the International Space Station. And this time, the Progress cargo spacecraft was approaching the ISS, and all of a sudden, its automatic docking system failed. So usually, in these cases, the crew shifts the controls to manual controls and just manually connects the spacecraft to the International Space Station. But this time, they failed to do so. So the Progress just flew by the International Space Station and is now reported to be going around 3 kilometers away from the ISS, although the Russian Space Agency says that this is quite a safe distance. They're now going to attempt another connecting procedure, another docking procedure on Sunday, and they say that they have full control of the Progress cargo spacecraft, but they did have to switch it to this mode where it circles around in order to keep and to make more energy for the time that it's being there, since now it's entered the zone which is where the sun is blocked by the Earth. So I would like to repeat that they say that there's no danger, but this is definitely an unprecedented procedure, an unprecedented event when the crew was not able to manually connect the spacecraft.
Well, as you say, yes, there is no danger posed from what they're saying. But you also say, of course, this is an unusual incident. Actually, it hasn't happened before, has it, in the history of the ISS?
Absolutely, this has not happened before, ever. I mean, there have been malfunctions during automatic dockings, but usually it was no problem for the crew to switch to manual control and just manually connect this spacecraft to the International Space Station. Just this May, we had an incident when the same type of a spacecraft, the Progress spacecraft, automatic system, docking system failed, and the crew had no problem with connecting it, thus delivering all the cargo on board the ISS. The Progress spacecraft itself is quite a reliable vehicle. I mean, it's been delivering cargo to the International Space Station throughout its entire existence, and it's been operating in the space industry for decades. So this is really an unusual event, really a unique event. And at the moment, there are 5 people on the International Space Station, and the Progress cargo spacecraft is supposed to deliver over 1 ton of cargo and plus hundreds of kilos of fuel for the International Space Station. So, like I say, we're still waiting for Sunday now, when they're going to attempt to dock it for the second time.
All right, we'll leave it there for the moment. Thanks very much indeed. Igor Piskunov reporting from central Moscow. Meanwhile, space expert Yuri Karash says that although the situation is unprecedented, there's actually nothing to worry about.
What happened to Progress does not really pose any danger. Danger probably is too strongly said. Does not really or will not have any serious, any noticeable impact on the life and work of crew on board the International Space Station, because they have enough of supplies of water, air and food. Well, some experiments may be delayed, may be postponed, because the Progress carried some of them to the International Space Station, but again, it will not have any negative long-term impact on the ISS operation. Nothing terrible did happen.